As the world of online shopping continues to grow, so too does the need for e-commerce platforms that can accommodate this growth. Shopify is one such platform, and it offers users a wide variety of themes to choose from when setting up their shop. But with so many options available, how can you be sure you're picking the best Shopify theme for your business? In this video, we'll give you some tips on how to pick the right Shopify theme for your business in 2022. We'll go over some of the different factors you should consider, such as your industry, business model, and target audience. By the end of this video, you should have a better idea of which Shopify theme is right for you. Before we begin, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos. 1. Make a list of requirements. When you are ready to launch your e-commerce website, one of the most important decisions you will make is choosing the right Shopify theme. The theme you select will determine the overall look, feel, and functionality of your site, so it is important to take the time to select one that meets the specific needs of your business. Here are some things to consider when choosing the perfect Shopify theme for your e-commerce website. How many products do you have? If you have a large inventory, you will need a theme that can accommodate a lot of product information. If you only have a few products, you may be able to get away with a simpler design. Do you need a blog for your website? A blog can be a great way to share information about your products, company, or industry. If you plan on including a blog on your site, make sure the Shopify theme you select includes a blog template. How frequently do you plan on updating or changing your site? If you expect to make frequent changes to your site, look for a Shopify theme that is easy to customize. If you plan on keeping your site relatively static, you can choose a theme that is less flexible. Once you have considered these factors, browse the available Shopify themes to find the one that best meets the needs of your business. 2. Start by looking for a theme that matches your business. When it comes to choosing a Shopify theme for your e-commerce site, it's important to pick one that matches your business. There are several free Shopify themes available, so you can try out a few to see which one works best for your site before making a purchase. It's important to choose a theme that is both aesthetically pleasing to your target audience and easy for them to navigate. A well-designed theme can help to give your e-commerce site a professional look and feel, which can help to increase trust and confidence in your brand. If you're not sure which Shopify theme to choose, hiring experts can help. They'll work with you to understand your business and branding guidelines, and then recommend a selection of themes that we think will work well for you. 3. Consider the niche of your shop and what you want to sell. If you run a business that deals in high fashion or vintage items, it's important to have a Shopify theme that fits that image. Some themes are better than others for specific types of businesses. For example, a children's clothing store would do well to choose a Shopify theme with lots of bright colors and images of children. This helps to create a cohesive look for your business. On the other hand, a furniture e-commerce website might be best suited to a Shopify theme that appealingly displays furniture. No matter what type of business you have, there's a Shopify theme out there that's perfect for you.
4. Pick a theme that is responsive and mobile-friendly.
As mobile devices become increasingly more popular, it is essential for businesses to have a responsive Shopify theme. A responsive theme is one that automatically adjusts to the screen size of the device that it is being viewed on. This is important because over 50% of users browse the internet daily on their smartphones and other mobile devices. If your Shopify theme isn't responsive, then your e-commerce website will appear outdated and may even be difficult for some users to navigate. Another essential factor to consider about mobile responsive themes is that they need to have the flexibility to grow as your business grows. For instance, if you sell children's clothing now, but you wish to branch out into selling men's wear in the future, you'll need to ensure that your website can handle it. A responsive theme will give you the ability to make changes to your website as your business grows and evolves. 5. Make sure the theme has no technical errors or bugs. If you're an established store, then you know the frustration of having visitors leave your site because it's slow or unresponsive. Having a theme that runs smoothly and without any bugs will help encourage customers to stay on your site for longer while they look through the products. This could lead to more sales over time if users are satisfied with their experience. If you'd rather not worry about your theme's functionality, then consider paying extra for a theme with customer support included. By doing so, you'll save yourself both time and trouble in the future. Customer support can be extremely helpful when you're trying to troubleshoot a problem with your theme. They can help you identify the source of the problem and provide a solution. Although it may cost more upfront, paying for customer support can save you time and money in the long run. It's worth considering if you want to keep your customers happy and reduce the chances of them leaving your site. 6. Easy-to-use templates and excellent customer support. When you're looking for an e-commerce Shopify theme, customer support and ease of use should be two of your main criteria. If you're planning on hiring an outside developer or designer, this will be an important factor in choosing a template. You'll want to work with someone who understands your vision and knows how to help you achieve it while making changes along the way. Shopify is a powerful e-commerce platform that gives you everything you need to create an online store. However, if you're not careful, it can also be quite overwhelming. There are so many options and customization possibilities that it's easy to get lost in the details. This is why it's important to find a Shopify theme that is easy to use and comes with excellent customer support. A good Shopify theme will save you time and money in the long run by making it easy to make changes to your website. 7. Determine which features best fit your needs and budget. Shopify themes come in all shapes and sizes, each with its own set of features. So how do you know which one is right for your e-commerce website? The first step is to determine what features you need and which ones you can live without. Some features, like product sliders and lightboxes, are pretty standard across most themes. Others, like pop-up windows and video headers, are more unique and may not be available on all themes. Once you know what features you need, you can start narrowing down your options by price. Shopify themes can range from free to over $200, so it's important to find one that fits your budget. Once you've narrowed down your options, it's time to start looking at the design of the themes. This is where you really start to see the differences between the themes. Some themes are designed to be very sleek and modern, while others are more traditional. The right design will ultimately depend on the type of products you sell and the overall look and feel you want for your website. If you take the time to research and find the right Shopify theme for your e-commerce website, you'll be rewarded with a more appealing website that helps you increase conversions. 8. Check out the reviews on any theme you're considering. When you're looking for a new WordPress theme, it's always best to do your research and read reviews from other customers before making a purchase. This will help you determine if the theme is reliable and right for your website. If you're trying to decide between two different themes, reading reviews can be especially helpful in making a decision. Other people's experiences with the themes can give you a good idea of which one might be better for your needs. 9. Shopify themes with security features built in. Nowadays, online shopping has become one of the most convenient and popular ways to purchase items. Many people prefer this method since it is fast, easy, and convenient. However, with the rise of online shopping, there has also been an increase in cybercrime. This is because hackers know that online shopping platforms store sensitive information like addresses and credit card numbers. If you have an e-commerce website, it is important to take steps to ensure that your site is secure. One way to do this is to use a Shopify theme that includes SSL certificates and data encryption. This will help to keep your visitors and customers safe, and will also increase your website's SEO ranking. In addition, it is important to keep your website updated with the latest security features and functionality. By doing so, you will be able to stay ahead of the competition and keep your website safe and secure. 10. Avoid themes that are too generic. When it comes to making your e-commerce website look unique, it is important to steer clear of Shopify themes that are too generic or common. This is because such themes will make your site blend in with the rest of the crowd, instead of standing out. To make sure that your site does stand out, look for a theme that is creative and features custom graphics and images. This will help your site be the first thing that customers notice when they visit it, instead of getting lost in the sea of other stores. That's all for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to hear more videos from our channel, subscribe and make sure to turn on the bell icon.